So we're here at Vintage Outfitting working on this FJ40 restoration, and the big day has arrived this morning. We got this aluminum tub from Aqualu. There we go. Aqualu. Hard to say their name. That's right. Aqualu.com. They're a Canadian company. They specialize in aluminum parts, full tubs for FJ40s and a bunch of other things too. Andrew's going to walk through the process of the fitting, just checking out how this works. We're really impressed with this overall, but let's get into the details. Andrew, what do we got?
Yeah, it's a really great, well-built tub, 5/32 aluminum. They blended a lot of the welds that are the cosmetic outer welds, and they have left the structural ones on the inside exposed, and they're all really consistent and look very nice. Everything fits, like the body mounts fit spot on. They've jigged it up well, and they've looks like CNC cut out the pan before they bent it. It's probably everything's CNC really, but
they're also very competitively priced, and they come with a transmission tunnel and these running boards. So
right.
Pretty good setup altogether. So yeah, how are these mounting on?
So they've done away with their design. They've done away with a lot of the attached body mount brackets that probably would be rusted out in one of these restorations. The back 6 body mounts, they sell this on they have a kit for all the body bolts, and the inertia bases are rubber mounts, body mounts.
Also included.
And so the back 6 is just, rubber mount between, bolting through. On the front, where you'll have a lot of rust, and that's typical of most trucks, but right behind your tires that are spraying all your mud and dirt and water, you'll have a considerable amount of rust there. So we'll be having to refabricate that piece. They do include a rubber mount in the event that yours is intact, but in our case, we'll be making new ones. And everything is matching up really well. Earlier today, I put these in line and kind of got everything square and level, and the doors all kind of fit very seamlessly. So.
Great. So it looks like you're just cutting an even line with this corner here, straight down. And
they actually, on their website, they have really great instructions, the PDF file that shows everything that needs to be cut off, everything that's included, what's all involved, and it's really seamless installation.
Great. And then you just rebuild the right here to match with the edge. Is that right?
Right. So we'll be having to. This one was all rotted out, so all of this gets cut out for a normal mount of their aluminum tub. We will have to remake this face here for the bolting of the tub.
Great. And then on the floorboards, it looks like there's a little bit of bridging that needs to happen as well, over on this side.
Right. So we have both sides were rusted out pretty considerably. And so now that we'll get our tub mounted in place, the back 6 kind of bolted down and locked down, and we'll know the height for the front. I've already pre-made these pans, and so essentially it's just bending and trimming.
Got it. Okay, so our reference is we get the tub bolted down. That's our reference point. From there, we rebuild the rusted out supports on the front where the floor pans are, and then from there, we line up the cowl with this with the curve of the door. Is that right?
Right. So you'll just follow that body line that goes with that. That's your door, and do a consistent reveal all around, and go from there.
Got it. Thanks for sharing, and we'll continue to share more about this build. Really impressed with this aluminum tub. It looks great. It's got all the little details down. And we'll also have to share a little bit about the process of preparing this for paint to make sure that you don't lose your paint job after all the work. More to come on that. And if you're interested in following the journey with us, check us out at vintageoutfitting.com or on Instagram or YouTube at Vintage Outfitting. Thanks for joining us today.